The article today is titled How Volcanoes Formed the Hawaiian Islands. And we've been talking about plate tectonics and how volcanoes happen as pressure builds in the mantle underneath the crust. In some places, the crust is thinner than others, and there are those faults, those cracks in the Earth's crust that make the plates. Hawaiian is a chain of islands. It is one of the most remote places in the world. Thousands of miles of ocean surround the islands. The islands formed from a hot spot. A hot spot, an area in the Earth's mantle. It is where hot liquid rock called magma rises up. The magma forms volcanoes on the Earth's crust. The crust is the outer layer of the planet. The mantle is the layer below the crust. Understanding tectonic plates. A tectonic plate is part of Earth's rocky crust. There are about 20 tectonic plates covering the Earth. They are always moving. They help form volcanoes. They also help cause earthquakes. The Pacific plate is one tectonic plate. It is continually moving over the Hawaiian hotspot. This movement caused volcanoes to form. Lava came from the volcanoes. As the lava hardened, it formed new land. It became the Hawaiian Islands. There are many landforms around the Hawaiian Islands. They formed for the same reasons. Scientists call this a hotspot. They think it's been active for about 70 million years. Please look at the diagrams carefully too, and you can make them larger just by zooming in your document. Volcanic activity today. Volcanoes are still active on Hawaii's Big Island. In 2018, the Kilauea volcano erupted on the Big Island. Lava covered over 30 square kilometers. It was up to 24 meters, 79 feet deep in some places. That's taller than a 6-story building. Imagine 6 schools stacked on top of each other. There were thousands of earthquakes. People nearby were forced to leave. A new Hawaiian island. The Pacific plate moves about 7 centimeters a year. That's about as fast as fingernails grow. The Pacific plate makes new volcanic rock. It builds up over the Hawaiian hotspot. One day, this rock will make another island. This island is named Lohi. You can't see Lohi now. It is about 1,000 meters underwater. When will it move up above water? About 10,000 to 100,000 years from now.